Praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Guys, I just want to show you guys something that can potentially be inspiring, but also can potentially change your life as well. This has been something that I have seen for myself after I have been struggling, trying to make money online for some time. So here's the results. Look at the week. So, and ignore that zero right there. That's just the week just started, the day just started. As you see over there, for that week on the top, I have made $14,000. The week before that, I made $5,000, and the week before that, I only made $321. And if you look at my sales down here, you see I was at 81, 80 something, and then all the way I went up to $2,800. The reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is because I wanted to inspire you and share that this system works, and Robbie's course has helped me a lot. Especially the main reason why I entered and I joined his course was basically for the Facebook support that he and Matt and the other guys give in the Facebook group. And so that's the main reason why I joined. And after I joined, before that I had made some sales, but after I joined, I was really able to dial it in, and I was really, and especially some tips that Robbie shared, I was really able to focus in and able to make my first $1,000 day. I made my first $1,000 day literally, what is this? Literally 4 days after I made $80, right? And so the system completely works. If you're thinking about making money online, if you're thinking about changing your life, then this is the way to go, you know. And Robbie will help you, Robbie will guide you, and if you're thinking about it, you might as well just join.